Hi Andy, name me Priyanka. Welcome to Learning Lens channel. Today we will discuss sixth problem in exercise 1.1 real numbers. First read the question. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. So before going to solve the question, we should understand the question. So what is composite number? By the synopsis we have fundamental theorem about composite numbers. What is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic? Every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime factors. Means we can write composite number as a product of prime factors. So we can write the composite number as a product of prime factors. So first of all take this number 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. So here all numbers are prime numbers only, but here plus symbol is there. So we cannot say that these are product of prime numbers. So after solving this, we can tell whether it is a composite number or prime number. So let's solve for this. So this is one term and this is one term. In both the terms 13 is common. So take 13 outside. So what is left here? 7 into 11 plus 1. So 7 into 11 how much? 77. 77 plus 1 how much? 78. So what are the prime factors for 78? 13 6 are 78 and 2 3s are 6. So this can be written as 13 into 2 into 3. So is these all prime numbers? Yes, these are prime factors and it is a product of prime factors. So we can say this number is a composite number. Why? We are able to write this number as a product of prime factors. So we can say this number is a composite number. So 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is equal to 13 into 2 into 3. So by fundamental theorem, we can say that every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime factors. Composite number can be expressed as product of prime factors. Okay, by this we can say that this number is a composite number. So this number is a composite number. We have proved this by using the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Next, take this number 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. So here also same. This is one term and this is one term. We need to write this number as a product of prime factors. If we are able to write this number as a product of prime factors, then we can say that it is a composite number. In the both terms, 5 is common. So write down 5 outside. So what is left here? 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1. So what is 7 into 6? 42. Into 4 into 3? 12. 12 into 2? 24. Plus 1. So when I multiplied 42 into 24, I got the answer as 1008 plus 1. So 1008 plus 1 is 1009. Okay. Now we can see these two are also prime numbers. So we are able to write this number as a product of prime factors. Therefore, by fundamental theorem, we can say that every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime factors. So this number is also a composite number. This is also a composite number. Okay, understood? Next we are going to solve the seventh problem in exercise 1.1. So how this look like word problem? For word problems we need to read point by point and we should assume or we should draw the figure. So read the question. There is a circular path around a sports field. So one sports field is there. Around that one circular path is there. Okay. Next, Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field. So, one girl, Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive around the field. And Ravi took 12 minutes to drive the same. For the same purpose, Sonia took 18 minutes and Ravi took 12 minutes. They both start at the same point and at the same time. So, they both are starting at the same point. Here only let it be A. And at the same time. Time also same. And go in the same direction. They are going in the same direction. Let us assume this direction. So, after how many minutes will they again meet at the starting point? So, after how many minutes? So, they are going in this direction like that. So, after how many minutes they are going to meet each other? So, how we can say? By taking LCM or HCF? So, by taking LCM only, we will get the answer. How we will say? That is LCM. LCM, by LCM we will get the answer. But how we will know is this LCM or HCF? Because the time is here increasing. Increasing means multiple. Multiple is increasing. So, we should take here LCM. If the value is decreasing, we should take the HCF, that is factor. So, the least value is means we should take HCF. For the highest value, we should take LCM. So, LCM of 18 and 12 minutes is their meeting point. So, what are the prime factors of 18? For 18, prime factors is 3 6 are 18 and 2 3s are 6. So, for 18, the prime factors are 3 into 2 into 3. And for 12, what are the prime factors? 3 4s are 12 and 2 2s are 4. So, for 12, what are the prime factors? 3 into 2 into 2. So, we can write this as 3 square into 2 power 1. Here also 3 into 2 square. For LCM, we should take the highest power. So, 3 in 2 powers, which is highest? 2 square. In 3 power, which is highest? 3 square. So, 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. So, 4 9s are 36. So, after 36 minutes, they will meet again. Okay. So, after 36 minutes, they will meet again. They will meet again. Okay, if you like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.